I haven't drawn anything in almost a week, so all I want to do today is practice and get better at animation. Let's see where I'm starting. So I got XPPen. I don't have XPPen. XPPen has a legendary legacy. I was thinking maybe we just try the trial version, right? 1,600, is that euros? This is the real deal 2D animation software, so go. Welcome back to the studio, everybody. Today we're gonna look at 4 professional animation apps for the PC to determine which animation app I'm gonna use to animate my upcoming animated series. If you're into digital art, gear, and that sort of thing, you'd know that Prime Day is this week. I'm gonna review 4 different animation setups that are configured at random. All of these products work well on their own, but the real test is to see how they combine in a setup as a whole. Oh, that is so good. Oh my goodness, like the brushes. This feels so good to draw in this software. Let's get another 10 so we can add some clothes. So the first setup is my personal one. Welcome to the brain. The secret is using a touch display as a pen tablet while keeping my neck and back straight looking at a reference monitor. I can still see the pen display in my peripheral vision. I can easily navigate the canvas the same way you would with an Android or iPad. Benefit is that my spine is in a healthy S-curve at all times while I'm working. Another benefit is that dedicated drawing hardware like this Artist Ultra 16 from XPPen usually has way better drawing performance than your typical iPad or Samsung Galaxy. This setup gets a 9 out of 10, losing 1 point because the desk is just a bit too small. I'm gonna start a tier list. This thing is absolutely awesome. Where are we going next? Okay, not bad. XPPen. It would be amazing if the last software we got was Toon Boom Harmony, because that would be a complete clean sweep of just industry standard animation app. But let's see, Harmony. Let's go! The next setup happened to be surprisingly ergonomic. We landed on one of my favorite drawing tablets of all time, the Artist 22 Pro. This is the budget king. Excellent color accuracy. I can't overstate this. For its price, it should not look this good. We're mounting this tablet on the ACS15 Ergo stand from XPPen. They're sponsoring this video, by the way. This is a tabletop pen display mount that can hold up to 27-inch tablets. The build quality is okay. I'm kind of lukewarm on this. It's not great and it's not terrible. You can push this lever to raise and lower the tablet as well as to change the pitch. There's no built-in cable management with this. That's kind of disappointing, but functionally, it's fine. No time to waste. 10 minutes, let's go. This is XPPen. That goes at, no, wait a minute, not S tier with XPPen. Next. Oh, no. All right, now we got, this one's official. Go. Okay. All right, makes sense. I eat my words. I think I got carried away with the random configurations because the next setup features a large tablet with 0 stand or mount. Like, it doesn't even use the mount that comes in the box. But do you really need the stand? You kind of do. Please don't try this at home because I don't know what I was thinking with this one. But as for the Artist Pro 27 Gen 2 pen display itself, this tablet is a very interesting story. This is a complete package with some standout features like the touch control, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR, a very bright display. Finally, this device delivers on its promises. Successfully warmed up. That looks amazing. Don't use this tablet without its proper stand. You could easily damage it. That looks really good, actually. This is the one you should do. I really hope we get Toon Boom Harmony because I haven't used that in a while. But let's see. Harmony. Let's go! Let's go! All right, sweet. That was easy. The last setup is actually the most average out of all the ones we've tested because everything you have in the setup will come inside the box of the Artist Pro 24 Generation 2 4K edition. We have the tablet itself, the original manufacturer stand, and the ACK05 shortcut remote. Not my favorite tablet to recommend, be kind of in this strange middle ground where you'd only select it if you really liked the size and those very thick bezels. Wow. Surprisingly, the colors actually look worse. They look more distorted. They don't look as accurate on this screen, but XPPen does offer a color calibration tool for this specific line of displays, but it doesn't have the touch controls and the color accuracy specs of the Artist Pro 27. As the years went on, I just like this tablet less. Nothing personal. Had to say XPPen was my favorite. Clip Studio Paint, which was great for painting, not the best for animation. OpenTunes was, I think, better than Clip Studio Paint in terms of features, but it's unstable. Harmony actually surprised me. I do think that XPPen goes ahead of it because it is a raster-based program, and that's the kind of animator I am. So when it comes to making my animated series, I would love to make it in XPPen. All I need now is $2,000. I have about $2 in my wallet right now, so we're off to a pretty hefty start. XPPen, if you're watching this video, if you send me a license, I will make a full animated music video in XPPen 12. I'm sure you have better things to do, but maybe take a shot on this, rookie. Peace.